How's it, guys? It's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. I just want to run through our current gold setup, or the setup in gold. As you can see here, this trade was entered on the 12th of last month. So I've been in this trade for exactly 3 weeks now and up around about $1,600 on that trade at this point in time. So where do we believe it's going? And I've sent out analysis on this on gold a couple times in the last few weeks. With the initial analysis being actually a strategy video that I did, and we used the gold chart for analysis. As you can see, we are currently moving in the direction that we have expected the price to go, and our initial target area is around here where I've got this blue line, the 1217 mark. That's more or less where I'm expecting gold to go to. But it is possible that we're going to see another small correction before we get there. So as you can see here, we had this breakout. I have drawn this a few times for you. So that was a 1, 2, 3 wave structure that broke to the downside, and then we had a smaller flag set up on the 1 hour, which gave me my entry over here. That was 3 weeks ago, and I've been in that trade since then. We then expected some kind of a pullback and a break of a pullback, which happened over here in a 3-wave format, and we had exactly the same thing occur over here, again with a break to the downside. It's quite possible that somewhere over here we're going to see a similar sort of thing with a 3-wave format, possibly 4 or 5, but gold likes 3, so I'm going to stick to 3 waves. And then we should get another push down to our target region over here. How did we get this target? It was based on the daily time frame. Let's just go have a look at that quickly. I'm not going to spend too much time on it again, because you can go back and have a look at all the previous analysis that I've done on gold in order to see where we get our targets from. But quite simply, we had this break of this structure over here, which was also 3 waves break to the downside, and I'm expecting the completion of this 3-wave structure to this downside over here, giving us that initial target. Once it gets to that point, we'll see what the price does, whether it reverses, makes a flag and goes up, or whether it breaks that level, makes a flag and goes down to our second target area over here, the support area. Important to note, though, that this is the 200 daily moving average. We're on the daily time frame at the moment, so we are hovering around that daily moving average at the moment. So often that presents an area of sort of strong price reversals. So just keep an eye on that, and this is also why I'm going to move my stop loss further into profit right now as we speak. Over here you can see, how the price moved around this 200-day moving average over there, and over here as well we got a very, very big pullback from it over there, from over there and there. So you can see that the 200-day moving average is quite influences the charts, influences the price. So I'm just going to watch it carefully. Let's just go down to the 1 hour time frame so I can choose my stop loss level, move my stop further into profit. So here we can see lower highs being formed, and I'm looking at this lower high over here. Let me just draw it for you. So we had this little flag form with the break to the downside, and this being the lower high level over there. So I'm looking at moving my stop loss to just above that level. If we do get some kind of a corrective structure, I doubt that it will break that level. If it does, it'll take me out of the markets, and I'll look for another setup to get short down to our target. But locking in nice profits on the way down, and still a bit of a distance to go down to the target, so should be a really nice trade if we get all the way down here without having to re-enter the market again. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you with your analysis, and if you're in gold positions, remember to keep your stops, move them down, follow the price down. A couple guys asked me this morning whether I'm still in this trade, so here's the analysis. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, as well as feel free to leave comments in the comment section below and ask questions about our analysis or any of the other services that we offer on our website. Have a great start to the week. Take care. Cheers.